Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. My name's Greg. This is my, I don't know, I guess you could call it my art journey. I don't know. I was looking at doing some stuff. If you guys have seen him on YouTube, his name is Kesh. Kesh Art has a bunch of fun little tips and tools and tricks and things like that to help yourself get better. And this one was about faces, and I needed the help, so I went ahead and did a lot of the stuff that he was talking about here. I'm gonna see if I can't figure out how to get it so my hand is the focus, because right now that's all you can see. But anyways, the idea is just doing a bunch of different faces with different perspectives: straight, left, right, up, down, combination of a couple, and just letting. The idea is just to get the practice of making the shapes, but I don't like looking at the guidelines, so I get a little anxious about it and have to remove them and do it the other way. But yeah, so here's me doing a bunch of faces. Enjoy. There's a great pain in my tight heart. This is the last time I fall apart. I'd like to stop for a sec. No one needs to rush. There's a pure light and a pure hush. I was pretty happy with the way the downturned one looked, where he's looking down, but the one where he's looking up, I felt like, he's got like a 7-foot long chin, and maybe I just made the way, like how much he's looking up, like I set the eyes too high, and that's why the chin just looks like it's like just crazy. But you can see that I put a note over there, like features, like I gotta look up a little bit more on how, when you're looking up, how to pull those features correctly and make them look appropriate. So just making notes for myself. No breath, no heartbeat, just static remains. Decided I was going to get a little crazy here and see if we could go a little bit more realistic, but overall this tip where you draw the circle with the line extending down and all that was specifically said used for, I mean, obviously we could use for anything, but it was specifically giving advice on how to draw simple, like cartoonish chibi type faces. And so I was like, well, let's see if we can, come up with something different. But one of the things that I realized is as you're doing this, what's the right way of putting it? It's funny how when you forget some just minor facial features, it ends up making the faces look completely crazy. You can see, like, I set this up way too small features, and I gotta redo the whole entire thing. But yeah, so this cursed thing that I'm making here is me realizing that I still need to work on what I got going. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching me draw this creepy guy. See ya.